to another episode of Drunk Mom Reviews. You may be wondering, what am I gonna review tonight? Well, guess what? It might be a brand I love so much that I'm reviewing them again. Can you guess? I bet you can't. Guess who it could be? It's Cozier! Oh my God! They already knew what I was reviewing because this is so damn soft, people. I just can't get enough. I wrap myself in it all day, well, not all day long, but a lot. I'm gonna be honest. I also got the Cozy Earth pajamas on. It's just so soft. So anyways, you're probably wondering what I got. Well, I got this amazing duvet cover for my son. Yeah, you heard right. You're probably like, why would you give money? Not money. Nice sheets, equivalent money, until you get my discount. But I'll tell you more about that later. So, my boys are always in my bed. Their skanky feet are in my bed, my white sheets. And I was just like, you know what? They're old enough. It's time for them to enjoy cozy Earth sheets. Unlike the sandpaper sheets that I buy at you know what places. It's time. It's time for them to have nice sheets. And with the crazy sale going on, with the link down below and the code, you can get them nice sheets too, finally. And guess what? If they get crap on it, which you know they will, some pizza, who knows. It is like magic, the way just stuff comes off just when you wash it. Like that, people, magic. I have had Cozy Earth sheets forever. And they're so cozy, so durable. That's why my skanky boys want their own. And you know what? It's time, like I said, for them to have the softest sheets on the planet. This kid deserves some cozy sheets. Yes! He even walks the dog, people. Anyways, did you have the best walkies? Did you like the best walkies? You did. Okay. I mean, look at all the new color choices. Slam dunk, people. And now they even have linen bamboo sheets. I am so there. They just got fancy Euro shams too. Who are you, Cozy Earth? Look at you stepping up your game. Love it. So the sheets I got him are the linen sheets in navy. Just look how cute this packaging is. I got the navy color to match his cute duvet. And they make it real protected for you. They put some plastic over it to make sure they stay clean. Yes, look, you can take this around for travel. Whatever you would need. Some groceries. Oh, people. So soft. So gorgeous. Oh my God. They feel a little different than these guys. I finally, after 7 years, needed to get mine. Literally, I had my old ones forever. So these are the ones. My bed's bigger, so I got a king size. This is a queen size. So the bamboo and the linen, bamboo, have a tiny bit different texture, but so soft. Okay, I got more stuff, people, and you can too without discount code, but look at this. Oh my God. Let's talk about sham pillows, people. Can you see me? Can you see? Now you can see me. Just look how fluffy and gorgeous this Euro sham is. I got the big guy. And it looks so good on my bed. It makes it just pop. And they have a 10-year warranty. And you could try these on for like 100 days. 100 days, people, that's like almost a quarter of a year, kind of. Yeah, that's a long ass time, is what I could tell you. You could just try these bad boys out, and you got that many days to return. And guess what, people? It's free shipping. Yeah, you heard right, free. I mean, this just looks so effortless and so like rich bitch at the same time. Kind of like Gwyneth Paltrow. You know what I mean? Effortless. And speaking of celebrities, you know who has liked Cozy Earth 6 years in a row? The gorgeous and wonderful Oprah. I mean, if Oprah likes it, it's time to purchase down below in the caption. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you do. I'm gonna blow your mind. Cozy Earth. Watch out, pillow. Cozy Earth. Mixed towels now. It feels like cotton candy, people. I wish you could get your hand through the camera and feel how damn soft these are. They come in a pack of 2. This is a pack of 4. So it's like a deal. You get multiple in one order. And these towels come in 3 colors. You pick which one you want. Was that a word? Which color you like. And I'm telling you, it's time to purchase all this. And with the discount code, you're gonna be fine. Until next time, people, you know what to do. I say it every damn time. So this time, if you haven't, it is time to do so, people. You're gonna like, you're gonna subscribe, and you're gonna comment. Tell your friends that I'm funny.